Okay, this is a instructional video on adding mixed numbers with unlike denominators. The way I have this set up is I teach this as the 4-square method. They do not have to do this on their homework. It's just a way of organizing the steps. So the very first thing that we notice is that our fractions have unlike denominators. And so we have to find the number that will be our new denominator. And the way that we do that is to find the least common multiple of each denominator, which is the 3 and the 4. So over in this next square, LCM, least common multiple. So you write out the multiples of 3, and that's just skip counting. And you just go a little ways, and then you start on the next one. And as soon as you find a multiple that they both have in common, that is your least common multiple. So 12 is our least common multiple. In our third square, we rewrite our fractions to make them have a denominator of 12. So we say 2/3 times what fraction equals a denominator of 12. And I set the other fraction up just the same. 1/4 times what fraction equals the denominator of 12. And we're finding the whole fraction that we'll be multiplying by 2/3. And the way we do that is we say, what times 3 would equal 12? 4. And 4 also is written up at the top. So that's your numerator and denominator, and 4/4 is 1 whole. And so on the second fraction, what times 4 equals 12? 3. Numerator, denominator, same number to equal 1 whole. And then you just multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. And so now I have brand new fractions, and they have the same denominator. And now I can simplify my problem. So I have 3 and 8/12 plus 2 and 3/12. So you can add your whole numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. And your fractions, 8 plus 3 is 11. And then your denominator stays the same. And in this case, we do not have to reduce. So your final answer is 5 and 11/12.